Hi, this is Eja. I'm one of the founders of Scrintal. At Scrintal, we're motivated to make thinking and writing visual. And today I'm going to give a sneak peek into how you can take smart notes with Scrintal, so you have a deep understanding into a new topic. And this is an example of how I took my notes when I was reading and watching things on Web3. Firstly, I created a Web3 card and just embedded the YouTube link into it, the video that I was watching when I was taking these notes. And I could just easily place this video anywhere I want in Scrintal and then take my notes at the same time, which speeded me up so much. If I want to close them, I can do so easily. Here you can see that I created a new card for each of the concepts or important things I heard when I was reading on Web3. And this became a web of knowledge, showing me the connections between concepts and all the important things in one glance. And if I want to include any new linked cards, I can do so super easily. I can just open one of the cards and press plus. And for example, just write Ideals of Web 1. And here the new card is created. And if I want, I can just place this card anywhere I want on my desk to make it sense to me. If you're interested in trying Scrintal, you can just go to scrintal.com and sign up for an early access. Thank you so much.